Welcome to watch Freshliant's operation video for SIM card replacement, Fresh Tracker 20 series. Step 1. Remove the 4 screws on the battery cover. Step 2. Open the back cover. Step 3. Remove the battery and locate SIM card slot. Step 4. Push gently to open the SIM card slot. You will hear a soft click. Step 5. Remove the old SIM card and insert the new one. Step 6. Push the slot back into place gently until you hear another soft click. Step 7. Reinstall the battery. Step 8. Reattach the back cover and tighten all 4 screws. The SIM card replacement is now complete.